everybody, I'm Josip from China. I'm here to introduce you some big machinery for your daily work. Look at these beautiful bulldozers. Very nice. Or the excavators on this side. Ready for any challenge you need. "22 tons. 22 tons. 52. Very powerful. With the rubber pads so you can protect your roads. Very good design. If you need on wheels, we also have 8 tons, 7.5 tons, 9 tons, all available. Even the bigger sizes, like this beautiful machine, which is 15 tons. 15 tons. Pads, which can go down, so you can do your digging work. We also have a telehandle, telescope loaders, and you can also install the different attachments for different kind of work. Of course, there are some forklifts for off-road duty. Very good quality 5 tons forklift. With beautiful design and comfortable cabin, air conditioning, etc. We also have a horizontal drill machine which can be used for drilling, for the pipe tubes, etc. There is also a small crane lift for lifting heavy things. Here we can see the skid loaders, very beautiful, effective and efficient. Excavators, all kind of sizes, from the small one to the big one, all available. Now we come to the main equipment, and that's drilling. When you want to drill the wells, pipelines and everything, you can use this to drill deep as many meter you need. You just let us know, we will offer you right configuration. For example, this beauty, very big, very nice. As well with the rubber pads to protect your road. Very smart design. Okay. Sorry. Further here we have some other machines as well for drilling, for drilling, and yes. If you need any machines, please let me know. Thank you. Bye.